Xiaomi is becoming a genuine mobile brand. Because that brand introduces best mobiles at reasonable prices. For example, the Redmi Note 10 series. In mobile usage, Xiaomi was in third place. But now, Xiaomi has taken second place in mobile usage in recent times. Okay, Redmi recently launched the Redmi 10. What are the major upgrades on that mobile? Let's see. First upgrade is LCD display with 90Hz refresh rate. Redmi 9 also has an LCD display, but doesn't have a 90Hz refresh rate. During this period, a 90Hz refresh rate should be given to this segment of mobiles. The resolution of this mobile is 1080 by 2400 pixels and has a 20:9 aspect ratio. The resolution is a little higher than the previous method. Anyway, the display will give the best color contrast. The next upgrade is Android 11 with MIUI 12.5. It has the latest version of Android 11 and MIUI 12.5. There's always been a problem with MIUI, it is ads. So, for some it may be frustrating. It is not mentioned how many version updates are coming to Redmi 10. But I think Xiaomi will give a 2-year version update. Anyhow, Android 11 and MIUI 12.5 surely will give smooth speeds. Helio G88 processor. The Helio G88 is the best gaming performance chipset. It is good that this chipset is provided on this mobile. The performance of this chip will equal Snapdragon 678. The benchmark of this chipset is not leaked on the internet. The main thing is don't worry about playing the game. Because this chip will give amazing gameplay. Stereo speakers. The Redmi 10 has stereo speakers and a 3.5mm jack. Stereo speakers always give the best sound quality, so you can watch movies or play games without trouble. Now, the 3.5mm jack does not come on any phone, but being in it is a good thing. I think the next upgrade will be impressive. 50-megapixel rear camera. It is huge to give a 50MP camera for this segment. But they did not say what sensor is used for this camera. The Redmi 9 had a 13MP camera. This seems to be the biggest upgrade compared to Redmi 9. This time, we can pick a great image on Redmi 10. There is no change in video quality, same 1080p at 30fps. All 5 of those updates were completed. Was this video useful to you? Please comment. And, which of the upgrades I said did you like? Comment on this as well. If you like this informative video, like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in my next video.